Hello po mga kababayan. Are you looking for a place here in the US that feels like home? Parang Pilipinas lang? Come check us out here in Jacksonville and St. Augustine, Florida, where nature, comfort, and Filipino flavor all come together. This area has a lot of things to offer. Malapit na beach, nature, and bet you ba mag-fishing, crabbing, or shrimping? We got all in here. Did I mention about the weather? Parang Pilipinas lang mga kababayan ko, warm and sunny almost all year long. And my favorite thing is no income tax. Tama po, wala po kaming income tax dito sa Florida. That means mas marami po ang take-home money nyo from your sweldo. Biggest take-home means budget for family, travel, and food trip. And talking about food trip, here we go. Food trip ba kamo? Yes, meron po kaming Jollibee dito for that chicken sarap. And the newly opened Max's Fried Chicken, syrup to the bones. We also have Valeria's Bakers and Son for their famous pandesal, ensaymada, hopia, at ang pinakamasarap na halo-halo. And we have local flea market for all your cravings of tropical fruit. We have atis, meron din kaming kamyas, meron din katuray, at kung ano-ano pa, fresh every week. So if you're looking for a place to settle down, mag-invest, or just enjoy a relaxed lifestyle na parang vibe lang ng Pilipinas, Jacksonville and St. Augustine area could be exactly what you've been praying for. My name is Lynn David and mag-message lang po kayo. God bless!